How to hide block list on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can hide your block list on Instagram. Now, first thing first, what you'll have to know is that your block list on Instagram is private. Except you through your account, no one else will be able to see whom you have blocked, or no one else will be able to see your block list on Instagram. It's private by default. No one else will be able to see your block list. Now, however, if your account is logged into other devices or someone else has your account, they can open up your account and they can head into the block list option and they'll be able to see whom you have blocked if they have access to your account or if you give someone access to your account. So unless someone else has access to your account or your device that your account is logged in on, no one will be able to see the block list. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.